Hi, let's talk about the difference between bueno and bien. The first difference is that bueno is an adjective and bien is an adverb. In other words, bueno means good and bien means well. That means that bueno is going to be used with nouns and bien is going to be used with verbs. These are some examples of nouns. Libro, book. Coche, car. Casa, house. Because they are nouns, I can use the word bueno to describe them. For example, un libro bueno, which means a good book. Un coche bueno, which means a good car. Una casa buena, which means a good house. Notice that the word bien would not make sense here. Un libro bien means a well book. It doesn't really make sense because book, libro, is not a verb, it's a noun. So we have to use bueno. Un libro bueno makes perfect sense. Now let's write some examples of verbs. We have cantar, to sing, bailar, to dance, escribir, to write. If I want to say something about these verbs, I will have to use bien, because bien is an adverb, so it only works with verbs. Let's write some examples. Yo canto bien. I say yo canto bien because bien means well, and I'm trying to say I sing well. Yo canto bien. Tú bailas bien. Bien is saying something about the way you dance, and yo escribo bien. I write well. Bien is saying something about the way I write. Did you notice how we use those two words? We used bueno with nouns like libro bueno, good book, coche bueno, good car, casa buena, good house. And then we used bien with verbs. Cantar bien, to sing well, bailar bien, to dance well, and escribir bien, to write well. So now your Spanish doesn't have to sound awkward because we don't say yo escribo bueno, but rather yo escribo bien. Or la comida es bien, but rather la comida es buena. We use bien when saying something about a verb, and bueno, buena, buenos, or buenas when we're saying something about a noun. In this case, la comida. And that is the difference between bueno and bien. Adiós.